Hey guys, this is part 2 of cooking with Kayla. Okay. Let's do this thing. Boom. Okay. So if you watch the other one, you know you have to mush with this. Making this because I don't have a musher. It's kind of hard if you watch the last one. I was like, ooh. So I don't think I'm going to make the yogurt anymore. Changed track. Whoever watched the other one? I think I'm going to make little faces. Okay. I'm just going to mix it all up. Turn it up. It's going to be like a cake, I guess. Maybe like a cake. Or this is just going to be like a cake. So I was going to make it into yogurt. Then I realized, I don't know how to make yogurt. You know, if I did, I would have made yogurt. So you know what we're going to do? Yeah, we're not going to do that. So I was going to make yogurt. Right? Yeah. If you guys watched the last one, I was going to make yogurt. But I didn't want to. And so then I was like, wait a minute. I don't think I should make yogurt. So, not making yogurt. I'm making a little like cake, but you don't warm it up type of thing. Okay? So I put all of it in here. And all of the chocolate chips are going to go on top. Lots of them are. I'm going to go on top. So I'm going to rip another banana. Oh, never mind. I don't think I have to now. Well, there she goes. Fine, it won't go. There she goes. Watch out for the children. There she goes. She's a man-eater, man-eater. Well, there she goes. So, ready? Banana to get killed. So, now I have it.